Hello and welcome back. I'm your friendly neighborhood technician, and tonight, not today, tonight, we are going to give some Amazon LED bulbs a try, because the ones that are on here, the originals, I'm assuming maybe they've been replaced before, I don't know. They are pretty terrible. It's like a candle in a mason jar, so it's not fun driving at night in this thing, so let's see how bright we can get it. Now I'm going to show you the brightness of the headlights right now. There's no headlights, and there's headlights, if it'll focus somewhat. Okay, those are the headlights right now. No headlights. Headlights, those are the original old ones. Now let's get the other ones installed, then we'll give the super bright LEDs a try. Alrighty, now here are the LEDs. Yeah, those are pretty bright. I'm not going to say they're insanely bright, but better than what was there. There they are, super bright white. I think those are either 6000K or 6500K, but with the 5 minutes I've used them so far, I'm pretty happy.